Hello, and welcome, friends. Thank you so much for joining me today as I share one of my favorite recipes with you. One of the reasons I love halibut steaks is that the meat is very flaky, tender, and it's so easy to prepare and cook. The steaks I'm using today were previously frozen. I've already thawed it out, and what I'm doing right now is cleaning off any remaining scale off of the skin, and then I'm going to rinse it clean, pat it dry with some paper towels. Once all the pieces are clean and patted dry with paper towel, we're going to season both sides of the fish with some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. Let the fish sit for about 15 minutes with the seasoning. Then you're going to whisk one egg, coat all the pieces with egg and breadcrumbs. Add a little bit of oil to a pan on medium heat. Then you're going to pan fry each side of the fish for about 3 minutes. This will depend on how thick each of your steak pieces are. Because this fish is very flaky, I try my best not to move it too much when I'm frying it. Another reason I like cooking and eating halibut is that it doesn't have a really strong fishy smell like other fish. Even when you're cooking it in your house, it doesn't smell like fish, not a strong smell like some other fish do. When both sides of your fish are golden and crispy and it's thoroughly cooked, remove it from the heat. The next step is completely optional, but my children love it when I drizzle some mayonnaise and ketchup onto the fish. Another great sauce option is the Thai sweet chili sauce or even some Korean chili paste called Gochujang. I hope you get a chance to try out this delicious, golden, crispy, flavorful halibut steak recipe. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.